Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna describe my experience. So guys, the housing crisis is really real and I'm gonna share my experience. So recently for my basement, I got the second unit permit from the city where I live. And now it's a perfectly legal space that can be rented to anyone legally. Now, of course, I did not immediately put on rent because I still wanted to do some work, like I was working on soundproofing and all, and still I have to do more. So, but when I posted the ad, can you imagine the number of responses I got? So within a night, I got 102 responses. Somebody is ready. Like I thought, I would have a lot of difficulties finding out tenants uh, for my basement, but it seems the demand is too high. I cannot imagine and most of them are like low wage earners. I'll be honest to you guys, but some of them are high wage earners too. Like definitely inflation is taking a toll. Definitely it is taking a toll. And like, I don't imagine like this. Like there is an apartment, legal basement apartment. And just for that, like so much demand, like it's too huge. I honestly, guys, initially I was thinking that I should conduct an open house, like post the ad somewhere about an open house when I can sit inside the house with a table and laptop and then let people come in and out or whatever. But I really don't want to. Like if 100 applicants applied to my place, uh, imagine if I schedule it on a weekend or some other time, what's gonna happen? Like there'll be queues in front of my house, right? I really don't want that situation. So I'll definitely not do that. But yes, with this, I got the clear idea that housing crisis is for real and it's getting ugly. So hopefully things will improve from here. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.